So on the 99 through 07 F250 and 350s, they have these mirrors right here. They are very round shaped. They do pull out. They have LEDs in them right here for the turn signal markers and stuff. And they're nice mirrors, don't get me wrong, but they just don't look like the newer ones do that we're going to be putting on. So let's go ahead and go check those out. As always, Cooper is beside of the truck parts. So here are our new F250, F350 mirrors from a company called ECCPP. Here is the SKU number if you want to check out these exact mirrors. A link will be in the description below if you want to check out the same mirrors that I am going to be putting on in this video. So this particular set of mirrors, the clear or smoked light smoke on the turn signal lights and the running lights, and the chrome caps. The ECCP brand, big shout out to them. They do have the mirrors exactly like this with just the black caps if you don't like chrome. And you could also smooth and paint these. I have a video on that if you want to check it out on my channel on smoothing and painting tow mirrors. Alright guys, so enough talking, let's go ahead and hop straight into the video, and I will show you how to take the door panel and all that stuff off so we can swap out the tow mirrors to the newer style and the plug-ins and everything. These are the 08 through 16 body style, but they have the connector for the 2000, I want to say it's 2005 through 2007, but it may be 99 through 07. It could be. I'll check that out, maybe put it in the description box below if I can remember. So these are power, and I want to say that they're heated as well, like if you have the plug-in for the heated mirrors. But anyway, so let's get into the video, and I will catch you as soon as we get to the truck and start taking the door panels and stuff off, and I'll go over all the tools that you'll need for the job. Peace. Alright guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove the door panel of the truck. So you want to take a flathead screwdriver and take out this reflector. So once you get the reflector removed, we'll expose the 7mm screw. And after you get the 7mm out from below, you just want to pull up from the front on this switch panel and go ahead and disconnect 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors. That will completely remove this switch panel. Once you have the switch panel for the window switches removed, it will expose a 7mm screw right here. You want to go ahead and remove that. Also, while you're up here, there is a clip right here and a clip right here. You just want to pull from the top, and that will remove this piece right here, just pulling these two clips. So now just remove the 7mm bolt right here and then pull your door panel up and off of the door. You are going to have 2 grommets right here, top one. Just pull that grommet out and it will expose one of the mirror bolts. You're going to have some sticky right here that you can just pull down. Right there's one mirror bolt, and some more sticky to expose the last mirror bolt. There are 4 bolts holding the mirror on. This bolt right here has nothing to do with the mirror. You do not have to remove that. So before you take out all of the mirror bolts, which are a 11mm, you want to pull down this plastic piece on the door, and that will expose your power mirror plug-in. You want to go ahead and press in this tab right here and pull out. This piece right here pulls out, and then just drop it down into the door, and you're going to fish that out after you pull off the mirror. 4 11mm bolts, remove the old mirror. So after I got the old mirror removed, you're going to want to fish through the new plug-in. In this case, I did have to remove the factory door speaker to fish those wires through and into this hole from up here. So I took out the factory door speaker with a 7/32 socket, 4 screws holding the factory door speaker on, and then fished the plug-in through, plugged it in. Alright guys, so we just now put one of the mirrors on. Here's the old one, this is before, and I'm going to show you the after right now. guys, here it is. We got the new mirrors on the truck, both of them. I do still have to swap out this orange bulb right here with a T10 size LED bulb. In order to do that, all you have to do is just push in on this mirror, and then there's a little prong back in there, and you just press on that prong and you pop this piece right out. Super easy to replace that. The top bulb is the turn signal. I'm going to leave it orange, so then my turn signal will be orange to match the switchback LEDs that I'm going to be putting in the headlights. That'll be a later on video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. We also went ahead and done the white cab lights, and we have a new Ford oval emblem on the front of the truck. But anyway, so thanks for watching the video. Like I said, the link to these 2008 through 2016 style mirrors, but they're already wired to the, I think it's 9907 f250 plug-in for the power mirrors and all that. They bolt right up, perfect fit, look absolutely awesome. I've had these on my other truck for over a year and they're still holding up perfectly. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for more f250 content and f350 content. And if you like what you've seen, give it a thumbs up and turn on that bell as well so you get notified on when I post my next video. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. So I know earlier in the video I talked about how I was going to replace these mirror bulbs with T10 LEDs. I'll throw a link to a pack of 10 or something like that off of Amazon down in the description below for just the T10 size, just a little small socket LED bulbs that are true white. Same thing that I replaced the cab light bulbs with up here, and then I just put clear lenses on. So I'll go ahead and show you that just so you kind of know what I was talking about. But again, after this, the video is going to be over. So thanks, I appreciate it so much, you all watching the video this far, and hit that subscribe button down below if you don't care. It really helps out a lot with growing the channel and stuff like that. So I appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one.